Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty, and I've been doing some project pans, and I'm posting this on the 20th. It's happening because last time I felt really bad that I posted it late, but what is life, you know? I'm a busy working mom. Anyway, so let's get into Deca Panning update 6. I thought I would do better, but you know, there's always next month. We've been functioning, okay? I have to go on a cruise, and I will be doing a video on my experience on the Disney Treasure. I've not been on a cruise since I was 12. I'm excited. I also have a lifestyle channel, which I've not been posting a lot. I post a couple shorts, but I do want to post more clean with me's, more lifestyle. I'm not going to really show my kids. I'll probably put like, I don't know, an emoji on their face or something. But if you're interested in that, my channel link down below. And then here we're keeping it beauty, fragrance, maybe, I don't know if I should do my clothing try on here or over there. I'm thinking over here. And then like that with some more like vlogs and life stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so I did have 3 rollouts. So let's talk about the positive and then we'll get into the next. I had the Innisfree sunscreen last month and I already had picked a card because I just needed to use it one more time. And because my goal was to use it 30 times and I didn't. Well, then of course the next day I used it 30 times. So that was a rollout. And I rolled in the Give Beauty lipstick in Lovable Me, and I used it twice, which, okay, so the positive and the negative, you know. I rolled out the Devinah Cosmetics single eyeshadow in Starborn. I reached my goal, which I was also almost done with that. I just need to use that one more time. Why am I not showing these? I'm sorry. And this shade is driving me crazy. That's breaking. It has nothing to do with this, but Starborn right there. It's like a, right here. We just swatch it. It was in the Fantasia palette, but it's obviously a multi-chrome. Sunscreen. Right there, I'm almost done with it, which is me sad, but fine. And then also Rollout, which I'm wearing today and tomorrow to make it a rollout because today is the 19th that I'm filming this. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow on the 20th. The Essence Lip Tint. What is this thing called? I don't like it. So why it is where it is. It was in, I should have returned, but I bought it online and more of a pain to return. But this is in Hazelnut Haze, the, what are you called? The Hydra Kiss Lip Tint. It's fine. I just don't think it stains. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. I think it's supposed to stain and it doesn't really stain. I did a first impression try on, like get ready with me style. And then I did a speed review on it too. So if you want to see that, I will link it up here. And then that's enough of the rollout. Products that are staying in, and then we'll do the products that are rolling in. So products staying in are this is in it for the long haul, the e.l.f., which I've had this since the beginning, the e.l.f. cream bronzer, the e.l.f. putty bronzer in tan lines. This is also in my used 26 products in 2026. I'm definitely making a dent. I don't know how to show you this, but like we're down to here. So I don't know if I'm at the halfway part or halfway point or not, but anyway, I did not use it as much as I thought I was going to use. I usually make my goal like 10 usages, but I've just been busy and wearing very minimal makeup, and I honestly like doing my eyes more than anything. My face I can do pretty quickly, but yeah, so maybe do more sparkly, well, like more softer, more like makeup looks like this, like sparkly but soft, quick, because it's summer now with the kids and it's gonna get crazier when the school year starts because just different things. Like I said, I'll probably talk about it on my other channel. I used, let's see, also on the 20th was when I reached my 10 usages, but then this time around I only used it 3 times. I just wasn't wearing a lot of bronzer, I don't think. And from May 20th to today, May 19th, and I'll wear it tomorrow too. But I'm wearing it today. Like I'm just trying to, I want to use it up because I'm just tired of it, and I still don't know how I feel about e.l.f. People, I've noticed a lot of creators using e.l.f. again, and I don't know. It just gives me an icky feeling, even though I miss e.l.f., but I don't like the drama and all that kind of crap. The Give Beauty lipstick Lovable Me, like I said, is staying in. So 2, and then the Essence Cream eyeshadow in Rose is staying in 7 times. So I just need to use it 3 more times. My Devinah Cosmetics shadow in Sprinkle Whips, I used 7 times as well. One of my older shadows. Still have not even hit pan. I have repressed it a couple of times with this purpley pink shade right there. Rolling in I picked up the 4 of Clubs. That has a pan. So This is also my use up in 2026. My used 26 products up in 2026. I definitely hit pan, as you can see. And I have made the goal of using it 5 times, hopefully. So trying to use this bad boy up. You really realize how long it takes you to use products up when you do all these project pans. It's very eye-opening. I picked up the Ace of Hearts, which is pick 2. Pulled, is that how you say it? Pulled the 7 of Hearts, which is brand you own the most from, which is Devinah Cosmetics. And I got this in PR. This is the Abu Dhabi palette. And I want to use, my goal is to use each shade twice and use this palette 5 times. Nice neutral palette, warm neutral. And then, and I also do have a code with Nomad, which is vegan breed, to get 10% off. It's not affiliated, so I don't get any, any money, but it's just, you showed that you came from my channel and supporting me. I think that's still around. If it's not, I'll put it that it was discontinued. And then also I pulled the 7 of Clubs, which is Gemstone, which this was kind of tricky. I looked for my entire collection. I don't have anything of a gemstone name. So it was something that reminds you of a gemstone or packaging inspired by a gemstone. Don't have any of those. So I'm doing my gemstone. I don't know if this is the exact, but this is the Nomad Paradise Islands palette. I bought this myself and it has been discontinued. The Beachy and Peachy is similar, not exact, but it's, it's still a pastel palette. This is my birthstone, basically. My birthstone is Purdo, so it's not perfect, but it's close enough. I mean, these 2 shades kind of, but we'll do a shimmer. So this is the shade Fish. I put pan on a lot of shades in here because when I was working from home, I used it a lot. So yeah, that one, I want to use each shade 1. Are you doing deca panning? Have you done it before? How are you doing? I'm also on the Instagram group, the Instagram chat for deca panning. I will put all the information down below. Also the creator that came up with this project. I do like it. I like challenging myself and focusing on products. I have been basically on a low buy without saying, well, I don't know if I've done videos on low buys, but they never do really well. So let me know what you want to see, what you're interested in, what makeup have you been loving, what makeup have you been hating. Also, I will be doing a video on the Ulta haul, the big summer haul, products that are cruelty-free and vegan. I post my daily makeup looks on my Instagram and my TikTok, and also on here on my shorts, and I have all of that linked down below. And I hope everyone's having a great day. Stay hydrated and stay safe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Like, hype, and subscribe.